Mic check.
Hold it for deployment. Now's a good time to warm up. Enough practice. Time for the real thing. Battle Royale. Mark a drop point for your team. You'll lead them in. Be advised, gas is closing in. Proceed to the safe zone.
Can you guys hear me?
Alright, guys, let's get it done.
Sniper rifle here.
Bounty target has been marked. Kill him.
Sniper rifle here.
Just want to get a loadout.
Tracking your location. Enemy soldier incoming. Vendor marked. We lost the target.
We're in safe zone. Watch for enemy. Set mine. Body armor here.
Movement! Movement! Forget about that. Welcome to the Gulag. If you survive, you earn your freedom. Listen up, soldier. Win here and you return to the front line. But if you lose, you're done. Sort them out or capture the objective. Stand by for reason. The enemy lost track of you. You're safe. Teammates in the Gulag.
Enemies in the
If they
area!
survive, they can redeploy.
This is a real B&H customer. This is a real B&H customer. This is a real B&H customer.
Vendor marked. Vendor marked. Loadout drop headed your way. Gas is closing. Get to the new safe zone.
Where's the enemy? Send them.
Enemy UAV overhead. contact front.
You guys have ammo?
Let's go.
Got gas moving in. Be advised, friendly precision airstrike inbound.
Okay. Your teammate has entered the Gulag. Surviving earns them redeployment. Teammate has been cleared for redeployment.
Body armor here.
Move in position. Mark some gear.
Does anyone need this? Does anyone need this?
Gas is moving in. New safe zone located.
Moving. Does anyone need this? Disregard blast. Does anyone need this?
I'll take that.
supply run contract marked. Marking hostile vehicle.
Roger that. Contract's done. Your payout is set as enemy position. Enemy UAV on there. I've got you!
My
Sniper rifle here. Bounty target has been marked. Kill him.
Mike. Mic check. 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 check, mic check. Mic check. Mic check, mic check. Mic check. Mic check, mic check. Mic check. Mic check, mic check. Mic check. Low volume. Mic check. Low volume. Mic check. Low volume. Mic check. Low volume. Low volume. Low volume. Mic check. 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 Mic check.
Check your gear and weapons. Planes are making ready for deployment.
Anyone got a mic? Mic check. Mic check. Mic check.
Enough practice. Time for the real thing.
Yo, yo. Anyone got a mic?
Battle Royale.
Nobody?
Be advised, gas is closing in. Proceed to the safe zone.
Sack Ready?
Be advised, gas is closing in. Proceed to the safe zone. Battle Royale.
Anyone got a mic?
Battle Royale.
Nobody?
Be advised, gas is closing in.
Wanna eat rice, mommy? Sudah jatuh droga, mon. So anyone got a mic?
Fortunately, I do.
Grab some target practice while you can. We're deploying soon.
Yeah, I just set up my mic. How's my mic? Is it too loud or?
Y'all better not let me down.
Record 3, what up? Mic check.
Well played. Time for the real thing.
Better not let me down.
Don't let me down.
Oh yeah. Hype music. Fight music.
How's my music? How's my mic? Is it too loud or too low?
Not loud enough.
Not
Slang.
loud enough? Not loud enough?
You're fine. You're fine.
Oh, okay.
Royale.
The music.
We've got gas closing in fast. Get to the safe zone.
Good.
Check, mic check, mic check, mic check.
I can hear you. I can hear you loud and clear.
Oh yeah, this crew is pretty good. I like this crew already. Let's go.
3, 2, 1.
Don't let me down.
I want to go into the front. Going into the front.
Let's all go in the front. Nobody
Primary
took it.
objective is kill 'em all. Supply box located. Route secure. LMG here.
LMG. Alright, nobody shoot if they don't see it. Y'all let us know when we're gonna push.
Y'all go as a team.
Don't let me down.
Seeing it's kind of like good.
All right, grabbing first box.
Okay. Copy that.
Phantom spot loadout.
Yep, over there.
Objectives updated. Move to the next location.
On the roof right here.
Where? Just leave him there if you don't see him. If he doesn't see you, I mean.
New objective identified. Found the sniper rifle.
Don't
Holy fuck, it's all the way up there?
don't let the enemy down.
Found the
Alright,
I'll go.
I'm covering on high ground.
enemy UAV overhead.
Damn.
Oh, we got a team over there.
Target right here.
They're
You got one on the
making
roof
me
right there.
exercise.
Mark the target.
This is a workout.
You guys want me to engage or not?
No.
Oh, we
Enemy
need
marked.
to
Be
load
up there.
up.
So you guys still have a sniper with no suppressor. Oh, we go ahead and engage it.
Watch my left side, please. I'm over here laying down.
Contract
Shit,
complete.
that's it.
All supply options.
Grab that supply run, grab this car, and let's go get a
There's
fucking
people in
loadout.
that get across the street, blue and orange.
Oh, wait.
Ooh,
Where?
Boo, you
Where
almost
we
got
going?
shot in the face.
Blood, there's gas here.
Are we taking
Someone grab that
this?
supply run. Yeah, grab the supply run, grab the car, and then that's where we'll go buy loadout.
Get to the target.
Oh, we have enough for a loadout actually.
Enemy UAV overhead.
Do you guys want to grab a loadout first?
Losing ground.
Anybody want that sniper? Bolt action
Hey, I got
sniper.
a trophy. Let me throw the trophy on. Throw trophy on. Throwing trophy on. Hold on, wait, stop moving. You got him. Stop moving. Alright, let's get the fuck out of here. Let's go.
Alright, get out.
Let's go.
Let's get a loadout first because the buy station is open. Oh, no, go straight.
My bad. I'm going to the buy station. Thought we were going to the buy station.
Yeah, there's an enemy in the buy station.
Okay, I'm coming.
I have enemy UAV overhead.
Oh shit. What's going on? So are we gonna give each other cash or what's going to happen? Let's do it quick. I'm hopping up.
There's my money.
Hey, they're coming. I don't know where the fuck they're at, but they're coming.
Oh hell.
Let's get right. You guys got a vehicle? Okay, do you get a chance to buy the loadout?
Did we get the loadout? What's up with the loadout? Let's get the loadout.
Yes sir,
Let's
I'm
get the loadout.
going.
Dang.
Whoa, we got a sniper.
Oh
Crawl
hell.
back.
Oh shit.
Fuck.
Fuckers.
He's there. Fucking bitches.
Everywhere we go, there's an enemy.
long just stay hovering. Don't dive down. So that way, if anyone else thinks you have time to
Don't let me down.
Those enemy let us down.
You're in the gulag now. Fight to earn redeployment. Yourself sorted. You're up.
Oh shit.
Don't let me down. Ooh.
Your teammates.
Whatever,
They're returning to
B.
base.
He got me in the head before I got him.
biggest
beat.
bullshit I've ever seen in my goddamn life.
Yeah.
Your teammate got a proper sorting. We're sending them home.
He's behind the tank with the.
Oh shit, I'm trying to like beat.
You got your ass kicked in that. Your team can still buy you back if they have the cash. Learn from the lot. Failure's a proper teacher. Your teammate got a proper sorting. We're sending them home.
He's behind the tank with the.
Oh shit, I'm trying to like beat. Okay.
You got your ass. 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 You got your ass.
No. No. Hold on. 1 sec. No. No. Hold on. 1 sec. No. I chat. Okay. Hold on. 1 sec. No. I chat. Okay. Hold on. 1 sec. No. I chat. Okay. Hold on. 1 sec. No. I chat. Yo.
Uy, musta? Tol.
Lods, balita. Ay,
Yun pa rin. Ikaw dyan, musta dyan?
ayos naman. Laro na naman.
Uy,
Okay.
musta? Baka na naman tayo
Lods,
pabuhat ha?
balita. Ay, ako magpapabuhat, Lods. Yung mic ko hindi ba malakas o maingay? O ano?
Okay lang.
Okay lang, ano?
Sakto lang.
Ano ko, kalalagay ko lang tong ano, mixer. Hindi ko pa
okay.
masyadong alam kung malakas o wala pa akong pinagtetesan na iba eh.
I see. Okay naman, tol. Okay lang.
Salamat. May
Okay.
kasama ka? O
Ako lang muna.
Ay,
For
ikaw.
now.
okay.
Trabahuan pa sila eh.
Sige. Anong laro natin? Try natin mag-invent ng isa.
Sige.
Try natin duos muna o